one and all. My name is Sheikh Hazil Al-Shifa. I am studying 7th IIT in Ratnam English Medium High School. Today's my topic is career development. Career development is the very important in our life. Without career development, we can't survive in our life. All of us telling career means important. Why is career development important? Without career development also, we can stay in our society. Example, cutting shops is there, normal shops, etc. Like there's so many shops we can set. Why is career development important? So, career, in career development, so many disciplines and so many disciplines want to be sent. Example, whenever beggar came in your house, whenever beggar came to your house, then we see like a waste fellow like that. Why we are seeing? Because they not develop their career. Whenever rich man came to your house, then you will see like a proud because of they develop their career. Because of they develop their career. Without any career development, we can public see like a waste like a. You can see like a festival. Whenever we enter into the job, then they will see when we can see like a beggar. Why want to see that we want to see all equality persons. We want to see all equality. And career development is the key of in our life. Whenever our body is divided into 4 parts, then 3 parts is our career development is hard work. We want to do so much hard work means then they will get so many wonderful things in our life. So when we are develop our career, then we can see software engineering and CEO of the company and etc. Whenever we not develop our career, then we can see farming and agriculture and barbers etc. We have the main of the career development. Thank you for giving the wonderful opportunity.